The exposition on display, ideas growing day by day, exploring thoughts to take away, inspire minds along the way. Culture mixed with science talk, through the mind's eye we take a walk. Theory grows like seeds in chalk, come along we never balk. Be inspired from the heart, unique insights play a part. Balance depth, a work of art for your mind will jumpstart. Personal growth, transformation, beyond the norm, no hesitation. Question everything, our foundation. Expand your mind, our invitation. We don't claim to know it all, just lifting veils, answering calls in the maze. We don't stall, find the truth, big and small. Be inspired from the heart, unique insights play a part. Balance depth, a work of art for your mind will jumpstart. Be inspired from the heart, unique insights play a part. Balance depth, a work of art for your mind will jumpstart. Be inspired from the heart.